In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu in Squarespace. Now, this is going to be the most basic and the easiest way to do it, so just follow along. First, when you're inside Squarespace, you want to go to the left here where it says website and you want to click on it. And of course, here you want to go to pages. Now, inside pages here, you'll notice it says main navigation. Now, for me, it's currently empty, so we're going to click on the plus button here, scroll down to the very bottom here on the left, and you can see there's drop-down. So I'm going to click on that and it's going to create a drop down, and this is basically where you can put in your pages. Okay, so of course, as you can see, currently none of these are linked, so I'm just gonna actually drag in the about one like this and the contact one as well over here, and let's just also do home as well. Why not just to have all of them? Okay, now notice how whenever I did this in the drop down, I now have 3 pages, and in the top right of my header here there's actually the new drop down called new drop down. Now this is a bit inconvenient, so we're going to just change the name. So simply double click on over here and change it. I'm going to name this just menu. Of course, you could do whatever you want here, and there we go. That's the first thing we can do. Is going to refresh, and now we have a drop down menu already over here in our header. Now that's essentially the main thing you can do. Then you can go to the edit button up top and you can go to edit site header, and from here you'll be able to click on the specific menu and then the pen icon next to it, and here you can basically see your menu. You can see how it looks. You could go ahead and reorganize it if you wanna, like that, and if you want to pop up any of these, you can just basically slide it to the left or to the right, which is going to either put them out of the drop down menu or back inside it. And you also have design, where you can go ahead and basically select a drop down icon if you want to have it. For example, I'm gonna pick this one over here just to kind of show that people have to hover here to see the drop down menu. Now that's basically how to do it, and over here of course you could edit this design as well, and you could go ahead and basically set different things for the header up here as well, stuff like that. And yeah, we now have a drop down menu over here directly on our site. If I go and exit this and save it, you can see I have the menu and it's actually working. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.